This is Steve, our newly acquired $500 OBS Chevy work truck. We're gonna turn Steve from a $500 truck to a $10,000 custom truck on a budget.
Last episode, pressure washed all the GM paint off, brought it in the shop, and explained our plan. This episode, we are going to chop the long bed down and weld it into a short bed. We got all the actual measurements done on this long bed. This is an 8-foot long bed. So it's 98 inches, 8'2". So short bed is 78 inches, 6.5. And the wheelbase for a short bed's 117.5 and long bed is 131.5, which means a difference of 14 inches. So that means that wheel goes that way 14 inches, and everyone's done it. I've seen the videos where you can move this suspension that way 14 inches. What they didn't do is they didn't cut down their long bed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this long bed and we're gonna make into a short bed. So we need to take out 14 inches here. We need to take out 6 inches here, push it all together, and then it'll be a short bed. Square body guys do this all the time. We have our measurements ready to go here. We're doing an offset 6 inches so that when this is cut, it'll slide in like Legos. We have our 6-inch measurement on the bed, and then we also have this offset cut over here as well. That's the 6 inches. And then if everything goes good, these are gonna be straight cuts, and it should just slide right in like Legos. Okay, so we did all the measurements, 14 inches. We're gonna step it out a little bit so when we cut it, it'll slide right in and it'll be like a Lego. So let's get to cutting on this one. Here's what we're going to do today. We've cut this all up and now it's time to weld it all together. So our next step is making these junk panels of this junk long bed all welded together in this short bed. So we tacked these up for safety. We know that these are not ideal, not grinding off the metal, but we just needed to tack it so it didn't fall over and kill someone. So we're going to go over, we're going to clean up all these edges, get them all done. And I know someone's going to bring it up, so I'm going to address it right here. This gas tank lid is not in the right spot. So thanks to Daniel, sent me a subscriber, sent me measurements. This door should be on a short bed. A traditional short bed should be 4.5 inches. This should be 4.5 inches away from the front. So we're going to tack it all up first, not around here, but more around here. And we are going to chop this out and move this door to right here. So it looks like a real short bed, which we all know it isn't. All right. So by the end of today, we should be able to tack up that. And then after I get this tacked up on this side, the problem is this side of the bed has no bed support until the actual frame or the suspension is moved up where it rests right on these. So this is just hanging out right now. So probably the best way to get this taken care of and welded on is put it on sawhorses and even it out so we can have support for this back end. We're never going to get it supported on the actual frame. If you have a better idea, put it in the comments below. But that's our plan for today. Let's get to work. Yesterday we welded up this side of the bed. We tacked it all up. Today we are going to move it off of the bed. Once I've got just a little more tacking to do at the bottom of the rear section of the bed here. When we're done with that, we're going to take this bed off, put it on some stands, and work on the rear section of the bed, tack that on, and by the end of the day, this should be a short bed. Not a finished short bed, need a lot of body work, but the dimensions should be right. Proving that you can chop down a long bed to a short bed with labor and a few tools. Nothing special. All right, let's get to work. Well, there you have it. This answers the question. You can make an OBS long bed into a short bed if you have enough time to kill and welding wire and a grinder, and if you're crazy enough to do it. Thanks for watching. Next episode, we are going to either work on the cowl hood or work on the suspension and move this wheelbase up. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.